Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Silverado Custom Trail Boss. Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $4,000 in savings on this vehicle that only has 15,854 miles on it. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle that has never been reported in any accidents, and it does come with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. This truck is equipped with the Z71 off-road package, which does include a 2-inch lift. And then as you can see here, it does come with our 18 by 8.5 inch black aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it does have our jet black cloth seating with a fairly large back seat. It does have our center console, which does flip into a third seat. And it also has our Chevy MyLink radio and our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.